Okay, good evening everyone. Uh, Let me introduce myself first. My name is Imari Chandra Prananda with name 1234 90050. So in today's video, I will explain about the sensor proximity for a pneumatic system. So same as the previous video, I will explain about the theory first, and then we're gonna jump up to the demo. For the demo, we use the software is Chex Programmer, and then I will show you guys about practical that uh, I do in in my campus and how I do it with my friend and my class. So the first, this is the model 6 from the Supermatic and Hydraulic practical. So this is the sensor proximity for system pneumatic. This is the purpose of this practicum. So the first one is we should know the principle for sensor proximity inductive and capacitive on pneumatic system. And two, we should know how to application sensor proximity for control actuator like valve or piston with PLC. And the third, uh, this is this practical. This practical is can make us uh, learn about the analysis and making a ladder diagram for the system purpose. This is the common question from this practical. So the first one is what is a common difference about from sensor proximity inductive and capacitive. So this is the sensor proximity. Sensor proximity is the sensor which can action about the object with contact uh, physical, and the sensor is uh, a lot common in use from the automation industry for detection position uh, product and for the limit switch non-contact. This is the difference is inductive sensor and capacitive sensor. There's a two data type. The first one is in this, the inductive sensor and the capacitive sensor. So the sensor proximity in here is uh, the the overall of the what is the meaning of the sensor proximity. So this is the proximity, the type of the proximity in common use. So this is the inductive. We can see here the inductive sensor. So the inductive proximity sensor is like they um, give electromagnetic field if iron or the iron in into the magnetic field, uh, induction from the sensor is gonna change and the sensor gonna make the output signal. So the example from this sensor proximity inductive is to detection position piston iron for the cylinder kinematic. So the capacity same like the capacitive, but the capacitive is for detection uh, the iron or non-iron, so like wood, plastic, and chemical. Uh, nah. So the principal work sensor and making uh, capacitive field where the object with the constant dielectric different in the capacitive will change and the sensor gonna make the output signal or the signal. So The example for this proximity capacitive is to detection level material. For the example, the the level of the chemical from the. So this is the ladder PLC. We can see here and here. So they crop it. So we're gonna jump out to the programmer, HX programmer. Okay. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we open the GX programmer, and then same as like the previous video, we should open the new file, and then you can fill this device name is up to you. The device type we will use is this the Omron CP1L, and the network type is USB. So the first one we're gonna set up is same as the previous video. We're gonna make the interlock system. Interlock with 000, and then the close contact is 001, and then the output is V000, and then we normally open contact with the address is V000, and then we put here that, and then we making a proximity sensor with the first we're gonna address the output from the interlocking, and then we're gonna make address for the sensor proximity. And in the second route, we're gonna use the switch timer is 003, and then with the output from the interlocking is 000, and 001, and then timer, we're gonna put timer in here, timer with this is the output, it's V002, V002, this is the V001 output, and then this is the W002, and then we put here is V002, it's like the same make timer with the address is 000, and then value is like 50. The meaning is 50 here is 50 millisecond times 500. Then we put the NO here. Oh, no. So like this, and then put this here. Then we put is T000. The meaning is timer based on 000. And then on the log tree, we're gonna put the switch 0, and then the system is 000, and the output from sensor proximity is 001. And the counter address is 000 with the counter is 1. Which is 000. And then we make another one with 0001. The terminal is A001. Then this we gonna put counter 00. And then we make the another output it W003. This another output W003. 003, and then we make another rack is for the output valve. First thing we do is the NO W00 from the interlocking system, and then W002 W002 for the timer output, and then W003 from output from counter and the timer, then the number equals W03, the timer, and the output is Q Q is this is the output from the thing. This is one. Okay, so I will show you guys about the level later that I already making. So you should make the simulator first. So how it works. So this is the switch here, and we enable the switch first. This is the switch 2. Okay, this is one. G02 3 proximity. First we will on the system. timer set. Then we gonna on this. So this is the repeat is on. The sensor is detect something, and then this. Probably 0 and additional constraint. So it's on, and output will make sure the output is already not disabled. So that's the thing. And then we gonna jump out to the practical that it in laboratory. So this is the schematic or the that we make. Okay, this is the switch. The switch in here is the first one we gonna talk about the power. The power in here is from the power supply. This is the 20 volt DC, and then this is the ground. So the ground going to the from the in, and then the power is gonna put it in here. Okay, then we're gonna see the switch is in here. Switch in here. We're gonna see this is in I think 003, and then the blade is going from to the proximity sensor. The 002 from proximity sensor on here. The 002 going to proximity sensor. 003 is to a switch, the switch 002 to the switch, and then the 004 is to to another switch. This blue is going to here. This is to the oh yeah. After that, after the proximity sensor, the output gonna put this is the buzzer, and this is the ground. Okay. So the from the signal from the proximity sensor will gonna be input from the buzzer. And then this is the output. This is the the switch is PB1 is meaning from the counter. This is the counter. Yellow. Okay. This is okay. Maybe that's um, the practical that I will tell you guys. So if I have something more to say or um, something to give it to you, I'm really sorry. And this is the end of the video. Thank you.